Give me 5.
You know, I really realized what being a man was about. It wasn't all the gold buckles and things I had been chasing in my life, you know, and rodeo dreams. It was about being a good example for them to grow up and, you know, and see, do the best I could, you know, not that I was perfect by a long shot, I wasn't, you know, but try to just keep on keeping on and doing the right thing even when you stumble. And that's what I wanted them to learn from me, was just do the right thing. No matter what, try to do the right thing. You would lay your life down for it. That's what I think anyway. You know, just care about somebody so much that that you literally would lay your life down for them. And I sure would have and still would if it came to that, so.
Live from the devil.
At least we got him.
I am Toya Bolton. I am a rancher from Gardendale/Odessa, Texas. And I am the father of 5 kids and several strays that came and lived here and hung out here a lot. And I'm a husband. When I first started rodeoing and riding bulls, I rode right-handed. Changing hands riding bulls is kind of like changing hands throwing a baseball, right? It's just a pretty awkward feeling. And in most of these pictures, I'm still right-handed. I ended up riding bulls for the most of my career left-handed because of an injury, actually 2 injuries. Like here, and this is 1975 at La Mesa, Texas. I rode the IPRA Bucking Bull of the Year and won what I thought was $1 million, but it was just $450. And you know, at that time I would have said, well, that's my highest high. You know, that was way before kids and marriage. But I wished I would have had someone tell me that rodeo is something that I was doing and not who I was. And I let it become too important at one point in my life. And you are doing those things, and that's, you know, that's what you are doing at the time, but you're still just a child of God when it's all said and done. I tried to teach that to my boys when they were younger, and my youngest daughter when she was rodeoing. Just remember, this is something you're doing, don't tie your whole worth up in whether you win or lose. When you look at the grand picture of life, all the crap we get worried about and stressed about, it's really not, it's just small stuff. You know, really, I mean, most of it doesn't matter when it comes down to life. It just doesn't. You know, relax, enjoy life. I love my family. I don't know what you know, we have a big family and it's chaotic as all get out sometimes, but golly, I wouldn't trade it for nothing. You know, they're the lifeblood of me, you know. They're my reason. And so I get up every day. I try to put on the full armor of God every day so I don't screw up, you know. And then try to put on my man pants and be a man. That's, you know, I love every one of them, and I want them to have a decent, I want them to have good memories of me, you know. So.